Welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Danity, and today we're going to be doing a nice Christmas look. So today I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Warrior Affair palette. I'm going to take that green shade. I love each shade out of this palette. Each shade out of this palette is basically a shade where it's just amazing. Okay, and I have the names listed below from each palette so it can be more detailed. Right now I don't remember them right off the bat, but I'm going to be applying it to the crease, blending out very well. And while I'm applying it to the crease, I'm going to leave some of the shades open for the brow bone. And I'm going to go in with the 42 Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to be taking that darker green. I'm going to be applying it right up under the green that we just used. Go in with the NYX concealer and Can't Stop Outside in the shade Golden. I'm going to be applying it to the crease halfway, but I'm not going to go all the way across like I usually do, because I'm just going to add it where the black is, and then I'm going to allow the black to be right at the center of the crease, but also I'm going to go back over and intensify it. Then I'm going to end with the Jackie Yanni palette from ABH Cosmetics. And I'm going to be, did I say ABH? Well, it is. But Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmetics. So I'm going to be applying Wiggly's to the lid. And also I'm going to go on top of it with the Milani Gilded Rouge palette. And I'm going to be taking Femme, whatever. And I'm going to apply that nice, gorgeous, glittery shade on top of Wiggly's. Again, I'm going to go in with the black, and I'm going to be cleaning up the areas. And then after I clean up the areas with the black shade, I am going to go in with the eyeliner from Amazon. I'm going to be applying that. Oh, look at that green. It's just perfect with this whole look. And I'm just going to apply it to the lid. Look how gorgeous that green looks. The signature. I mean, that's just gorgeous. Anyways, you get it. And then after that, that should complete the look.